So have you ever been in a classroom with a student? He's very young and he's very low level, and you ask him, how old are you? And he shows you one of these. Or one of these. Well, I have, and I was very confused. I didn't know what that was. And then it kept happening many times until eventually I found out that Chinese people are actually able to count from 1 to 10 using only one hand. I thought that this might be a useful thing for you to learn as a new demo teacher, because this will help you understand the junior students better and just will make the interaction between you and the student in the first 2-3 minutes of the class much smoother. Let's get going and get ready because it's about to get weird. Hope you like it. So, let's begin with the easy ones. Simply 1, 2, 3, like this. Not like this. Sometimes the children do not understand this sign, so let's always keep 3 like this. The 3 middle fingers. Now 4 and 5. So these are the basic ones that are familiar to us. Now let's get to the part that might not be familiar to most of you. Here is number 6. Kind of looks like a phone call. 6. Alright. Now 7 has 2 hand signs. The first hand sign to 7 is like this. It takes the shape of 7. Alright. Now also they can do 7 with 3 fingers like this. And I think this is more popular. I'm not sure though. Sometimes they do this, sometimes they do that. Like this. 3 fingers. Now 8 kind of looks like a gun pointing up. And number 9 looks like a fish hook like this. Number 10 also has 2 signs for it. The first sign is like a fist, like this. The second sign requires 2 hands and it's 2 fingers like this, like a cross. And that's it. So, I recommend that on top of knowing what these numbers look when they are represented by hands, I also recommend that you know what they sound like. Alright? Use Google Translate. Use Google Translate to know how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10 or 11 or 12 sound like, because many times you will ask the student, how old are you? And maybe he will just be confused and flustered and he will blurt it out in Chinese. And that means you have to either guess or ask the agent, or if you already know it, that can be very helpful for you. So this is my second tip for you guys regarding the Chinese numbers. Yes, it's useful to know the signs to understand if he represented his age using one hand. Also, it's very useful for you to learn how they sound. I'm not asking you to speak Chinese in the lesson. However, I'm just asking you to try to catch if he said his age in Chinese. It can be very useful. And that's it! Thank you so much guys for watching. Today was a very short video. Usually I ramble on for 20 minutes. But this time it was a mini video and I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you learned something from it. Usually that would be useful for new demo teachers who are still not familiar with the Chinese numbers and haven't been doing this for a long time to understand that or get used to that. Anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for coming today. Hope to see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos, and catch you next time. Peace.